again, if he had a 2x, if that shot was on fire, it would have been 20 level.
Oh, I got my the stupid cameras.
Well, no, but that's exactly what this is for. You play the game and you just learn all the rules, and then later.
All right, guys. Finally, we got the gameplay video. We have been waiting for this for 10 days of the new Stern Mandalorian Pinball machine. I just watched it in fast forwarded, because the first 30 minutes Dwight Sullivan, he talks about the rules, and I was just about to fall asleep. I don't want to listen to that. I want to explore the rule set myself. So the first half hour, if you want to explore the game yourself, just fast forward it. And then we have the designer, Mr. Brian Eddy. He has made a lot of great games. So yeah, this is the latest one, and I have made 2 videos about this game. You know, first impression and the difference between Pro and Premium Elite, how they look, how I feel about it, what I like about it, and my disappointments about this game. I was in for the LE until I saw the first video clip, and I jumped off ship. I didn't want to buy an LE, because as I said in that video, the left side up here with Grogu, it's just a waste of area, man. I mean, top lanes, yeah. And the right side with this head over here, also it felt like waste, because you have so little space. And I'm gonna go into this in a minute, guys. I don't want to repeat everything I said in my earlier video, but I just watched this. I actually fast forwarded until they started the first game. On this video, they have done it well with audio. Before this, the audio was almost turned off, and it's 50% visual and 50%, you know, what you're hearing, the audio part. So they started this game, okay, and I'm not sold. I haven't ordered an LE, but when I heard that music, that intro music of the Mandalorian, guys, I was sold. The audio part is so important to me. It's so important when I play a pinball machine that I like to hear everything. So audio part, music it gives me the goose, man. I love the Mandalorian music. So full assets. We have got the music. We have Carl Weathers' call out, and he's angry. Everything he says, extra ball, everything is just angry. He shouts at you, oh, Carl Weathers style, you know how it is, just like in Predator. It's alright. The sounds when you hit different stuff, you know, spinner sound, orbit sound, whatever, Stern did it, man. I mean, all the shots, they have got great sound effects. Yes, you can hear on this review that I love the sound package on games. I mean, if the sounds are not good, I don't want to play that game. When I play, the volume is so high that my neighbors visit me. They say, oh, you're playing pinball again. Let me join. Yeah, come on inside. I love the volume at maximum. Playing games with low volume, it's not playing, man. That's not enjoyable for me. So when I listened to the music, I loved everything about it. Wow. I mean, this game just, it jumped, you know, up in my wishing list. When I just listened to this, I wish that these guys didn't talk this much, and they just turn up the music for 5 minutes so we could just enjoy everything. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. So I'm still, oh, something fell off here. That's Stern quality. I'm still not into buying an LE. No. And I'm still not into buying a premium. No. But I'm gonna try this game first. And I'm thinking about buying a pro model. Because you still get, I mean, the display is going to be the same. You will have a lot of clips from the series. Episode 1 and 2 looks great. I love they have got full asset. So on the pro model, let's just fast forward here. Mr. Branetti, Stern trouble here. So on the pro, I will still have, you know, the display over here. Great movie series assets from the series. We will have the sound. We will have almost everything. What I'm gonna miss on the pro version is these middle ramp guides here. They are plastic on the pro. That's sad. Okay, I love them in metal, absolutely. But other than that, Grogu is missing the magnet up there. I don't care. I mean, I can see here from the first video, skill shot, you just plunge here and Grogu's magnet, or what you want to call it, is just a doll with a magnet. It can, you know, pulse the ball to go in different directions. And if that magnet is missing, then it will also jump to different directions. I mean, I can understand on Attack from Mars, he has 2 lanes. It's all right. Most games has 3 lanes, but 5 lanes. Come on, guys. Waste of precious real estate on a brand new machine. I feel it like that, okay? So that's just not important. I don't care about that. Over here, I mean, the upper play field. We were so hyped about the upper play field. You have 2 little space. As soon as they flip, look at that. Did you see that? 1 flip and it was out. So it is, you have to flip, you have to hold the flippers up, you have to catch that ball. You can't enjoy it up there. It's just too small of an area. It's not fun. And I don't care about its tipping. I mean, who gives? So that upper play field, it doesn't do anything on the premium LE for me. The Pro will have a non-tipping upper play field, and it will miss this little flipper on the left side. We do see a mode where they activate something. I haven't looked so detailed in it, but the game will shoot. You will shoot up here. The game will hold this flipper, and you can play a mode. When you lose the second ball down here, then this flipper that holds a ball, it will just go down and activate that ball. So stuff like that will be missing on the Pro, but it's alright. I actually like the Pro models 1 flipper solution and the notch pin solution over here. So again, the top right side, it's perfectly fine with the Pro model. So all in all, I must say, before I watched this today, I didn't want to buy one of these, but after watching this video, I'm thinking about getting a Pro model. Because guys, when you pay so much money for a toy, theme is important. Theme is so important, and I love everything Star Wars. I love the Mandalorian series. I think it's, I mean, so well done. It's, you know, the new Star Wars stuff, it's not good. I'm not the one that says only most people don't like the new stuff. But this is great. And they have integrated everything real nice. And I like Brian Eddy's games. I have an Attack from Mars. I have had Medieval Madness for many, many years. Great games. The Shadow, nah, you know, I haven't tried Stranger Things. I love Stranger Things series. The theme is just me, but I haven't heard great stuff about the pinball machine, but I haven't tried, so I have no idea about that one. But this one, it's a fast shooter, and if we look at the right side here, it's a fast shooter. It's a combo machine, man. There are a lot of combo shots. I like that. And it doesn't feel like a brick machine. I know these guys, I mean, the designer is playing, and you know, the software programmer is playing, and Jack Danger is playing. I know those guys, they can just hit the targets, hit the ramps, hit everything. But looking at the video, it feels like the game has great flow, okay? So great flow, great music, come on, great music, okay call-outs, really nice sounds at the shots. So all in all, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I like the movie clips. The music. Listen to this, guys. Now they're talking too much. You can't enjoy it. But I will put a link to this video at the description. So I hope you will go down and check this one out. And if you like the music, this pinball will be talking to you. I feel like it. But there are also some a few things that I don't like about it. Of course, it feels like you're not using the backside. You have the middle and just a little back here. So everything is close to you. You have no shots at the back. I like shooting the backside stuff. You know, the ship on Black Rose, or you know, the shot down here in Junkyard. I like using the backside. You don't use that, so that's a bummer for me. That's the first thing. The second thing, if you watch carefully these pro players, this game, when it touches the slingshots, it's just bam bam and it's out. The both right and left out lane looks like a drainer. It drains a lot. Of course, they're talking, they're having fun, they're not concentrating, but the game drains a lot. It looks like a drain monster. I mean, that's not a bad thing, but it feels like you don't have long ball times. So those two things are... yeah. Did you see that? Bam, bam, and it's out. I mean, it drains a lot. Come on, guys. But it is what it is. Drain again. Did you see that? That's what I'm talking about. I will call gameplay like this. He didn't even touch the ball a couple of times, you know. It just drained. It has got different modes. It has got hero mode. It has got a mode so you can't just keep on trapping the ball. Love that. I love to play on the fly, you know. Also watching others play. It's much more fun when it's just on the fly instead of just trapping balls. So it has got some fun stuff like that. Also, like in Turtles, you can play cooperative game. You can play a hero against 3 others. So this software is totally Dwight Sullivan, you know. He has a hurry up shot, but not as much as on the Star Wars game. I hate that coding. But this one, it looks fun, guys. It looks fun. And it looks like the Pro version is absolutely the way to go on this one. It feels like you will get a lot of pinball for your money. So I just hope that some modders will make these 2 middle exits. Then I would be really happy. I would buy that and I would be totally... I'm not missing anything from the Pro to Premium. I'm just having a lot of money, extra money in the bank, of course, by choosing the Pro. But other than that, yeah. Also, they choose, you can buy different stuff, best car stuff, some role-playing elements in there. So it feels like, I mean, for an early release, it feels like it's pretty complete code set. That's not something we're used to. When we buy a Stern machine, we can wait, 2 years or sometimes 3 years to make the game, a completely enjoyable finished product. But yeah, watching this video, it feels like this is a nice shooter. Looks like a great game. So, oh, did you see that? Drain. It drains a lot, man. Yeah. So that's my thoughts on the first ever watched gameplay video, guys. So let me hear your thoughts on the comments right below. Thank you for watching, guys. I wish you all a great day. And I also want to hear about if you are considering buying this game. Which version are you after and why? I mean, the Ellie does have those push button, flipper button protectors on the side. I love that. That's great. But other than that, I mean, we have a lot of action up there at the upper right side, and a drainer again. And this is Jack Danger, man. If he drains, I have no chance playing. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye.